Ankylosaurus is coming. Here comes the Tyrannosaurus rex. Here comes the pterosaur. This one is Brachiosaurus. And the last Triceratops.
Oh.
All mechanical dragons arrive. Astronauts, come out quickly. Finally found the dinosaur transformation key. The mechanical dragon begins to transform into a spaceship form. Ankylosaurus transforms into a flying saucer. Tyrannosaurus rex begins to transform. Tyrannosaurus rex becomes lunar rover. The pterosaur became the space shuttle. The dragon begins to transform. Finish the last Triceratops. So this is a satellite, spaceship mode. They can still fit together. Successful docking of the space station.